Hold on, I'm recording. I don't know what I'm recording. All right, there he goes.
Edit that out.
All right. Check this out, Jordan. Look here. You better not. You liable to hit that car. I'll ask. Damn, landed it. That's the fuck I'm talking about. I got a hole in the air and everything. Take this some bitch right through here, George. Go over this, haul ass.
I don't know if I can clear that curve. We'll see.
This one's taller than that one. If you just give it gas, you ought to be able to ride right over it. You gotta keep that motherfucker straight though, because you're looking at 3-foot path there. Yeah, you gotta keep that motherfucker super straight. Yeah, don't even hit the turn fucking thing, alright? Land it. I'm gonna straighten you out and I'll see if it'll like just go.
On top of that, but my wheels are wet though.
Here, spin out for a second. Alright. They're dry now. Oh, like it wasn't shit. Didn't even have to try.